Welcome to this video on how to make a puppy bead. To make this bead, you will need some very basic tools and supplies. A pair of tweezers or mashing tool, a knife or cutting tool, a dipped mandrel, and some glass. For this video, we are using a 332 mandrel and 3 colors of 104 soft glass, which will be Effetra white, black, and light sky blue. We will start off by pulling a short section of the black glass, which will be used later for the puppy's eyes and nose. You will only need enough to make 3 dots, so 1 to 2 inches will do. Now we start with making the head by making a basic bead. For this video, we will be making the head of the puppy round, but the head of the puppy can be any shape you want. It can be a donut, barrel, lentil, or whatever shape you want. It can also be any color you want. Use opaque or transparent glass, use bright colors, or leftover stringers or twisties. Some puppies even have spots, so add spots. Be as creative as you want to be. Once the head is shaped, it is now time to decide where the eyes are going to be placed. By using the ends of the tweezers, press 2 little dents where the eyes are going to be placed. If you don't like where you placed the dents, you can fix this by simply melting the bead back into the round shape and trying to place the dents again. Once you're happy with your dent placement, it is time to make the eyes of the puppy by placing small dots of black glass. Gently press these dots into place. This is the time when you can make small adjustments to ensure the eyes are even and straight. The next step is to create the mouth and jowls of the puppy by placing a large dot of the light sky blue glass on the bottom section of the bead. Remember to reheat the whole bead. Keep it warm to prevent it from cracking. The dot should be centered below the eyes. Gently press this dot down. When the glass is warm, you can make a small adjustment to make sure the mouth is centered below the eyes. With the knife or your cutting tool, make a cut or indentation from the base of the mouth pushing up towards the eyes. Only go about 3/4 of the way up. This creates a separation for the jowls of the puppy, but also pushes the glass up, creating the bridge of the puppy's nose. Have a look at the bead to make sure it is centered. Now it's time to add the ears. Start by placing small dots of the light sky blue where you want to place the ears. Once you are happy with the ear placement, start adding glass to build up the ears. You can make the ears as short or as long as you want. Just remember that heat and gravity are your friends. Use them to control the glass you're adding to the ears. Once you're satisfied with the amount of glass you have added, it is time to shape the ears. Use the tweezers to flatten from top to bottom and from side to side. Remember to not make the ears too thin. We want them to be thick enough so that there isn't any risk of them breaking off. Have a look to see that the ears are even. Then heat one ear slightly, just enough to get it soft, not glowing, and with the use of your tweezers, slowly and gently bend the ear down. Do the same to the other ear. Once again, make slight adjustments to make them even. Time to add the puppy's nose, which is a small black upside-down triangle. Use the black glass and place a small dot of glass on the end of the bridge of the nose. With the use of your knife, gently flatten the black dot. To create the upside-down triangle, gently press against each side of the dot to create the bottom point of the nose. Then gently flatten the top of the dot. Have a look to make sure the nose is centered. And there you have a puppy bead. Thank you for watching. Have fun torching!